Welcome to AI Explainer, where I show you how to use ChatGPT. In this video, we will explore on how to use the long-tail keywords to rank better on Google. Mostly, people searched for things that are really hard to rank up. Let's say you have a shop for camping gear. Then the word camping gear is probably hard to rank on since there are also many other shops who sells the similar thing. However, if it is a longer phrase like camping gear Philadelphia or great camping gear for families, which is a longer phrase, then it is easier to rank on since not everyone is talking or dealing with that specific topic. So even if the market is quite crowded, you can still rank relatively high. Now, ChatGPT is a very good tool to find all these kind of combinations that people could potentially try to look for. It could be anything else, but in this example, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to come up with good ideas about best camping gear Philadelphia. In this table, we can see that people could potentially have a combinations of all these various keywords in their search. It could be quality camping kits online or premium camping products close to me. You probably guessed that with all these various options and all the different combinations, this could each be one individually search in Google, and it would make sense to try to rank on these combinations, but you don't want to overdo it, especially if your website has hundreds of articles that are very similar and are only made for those search engines. Then Google might say, this may be a little bit of a spam, or just trying to game the Google algorithm. So I recommend to just pick a few combinations that would work for you. Let's proceed further. Instead of choosing a combination, I asked ChatGPT to do it for me. Now, I asked it not because people actually want to read them, but because that search entry could bring us higher up in Google search. However, you still need some content marketing. With good text and interesting topics, your article can rank higher in Google. Then you need to ensure in your website that they are represented in a good way. In the camping gear example, I have here a category with 38 count of this kind of article. But I don't want my front page to have 38 of these articles because it might look boring. So I'll place these in a separate category that are not in my homepage. It is still findable in Google, but not navigable from the homepage. It is also easier for this articles have a backlink back to my page where I sell the camping kits. So if people land on this page, they will then see a link and then they can navigate to the page where the product is sold. And then here you can see all these generated articles. They are not findable to a normal navigation, but they are linked and meant to lead people to a page where I can sell my camping kits. I am now viewing this article, and at the bottom here you can find camping gear page, and that is where I want people to go to because I can then further explain and show my product as you can see here. Now let's recap on how to rank better in Google using long-tail keywords. In the example we used, we asked for a table of different variations for best camping gears. We avoided using generic or common words such as camping gears and used specific phrases instead. After that, we asked for 30 possible combinations based on what the software has generated so that it can help us choose better and start writing our article. And while it makes sense to try and rank on every combination, we need to actually avoid that, because Google might see it as spam or playing the algorithm, and Google doesn't like that. We then linked our supporting articles to the main page where we want people to actually go. The main idea is to generate a few dozen articles about variations of keywords people could look for, and then have them linked to the main article or the main page where you want people to actually go. And all the supporting article then help the internal SEO of your website so that people go to the page where they can buy your products. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel and to get more of these helpful videos on using AI.